Motor vehicle assembly plants have been encouraged to locally acquire their components and minimize importation of the same. Principal Secretary for Industrialization, Betty Maina, said the government will soon demand that dealers engage in local sourcing when acquiring parts for their products, adding that this will enhance the local market. The PS was speaking during a product launch by Honda Kenya in industrial area.
But now we have in front of you, of course, launching a bike that one of you would walk away with. So we cannot wait to see who it is.
Honda, just like the corporates represented here, we are looking forward to do what actually makes sense. There has been a lot of talk over the years, but Kenya, Honda is coming in a big way through the facility that we have, and we are looking forward to grow even further.
The sector basically is one of the key sectors that we are driving in industry as part of the Big Four and as an area where we expect to see a lot of revenue to the country because of the motor vehicle